Hey, welcome back to DentChem. I'm Tom. Today I'm going to show you how you can name almost every single organic compound that you see in class or on a standardized test. And we're only going to use one thing to do that, and it's priority. I've included a priority chart here involving some common functional groups you're going to see in organic chemistry, 1 and 2. I don't include everything here, but these are going to be 95+% of the functional groups are going to be these 10. What we're prioritizing is what gets the root of the name, and also that priority group should get the lowest number possible. So priority group, that which has the highest priority present in our compound, should have the root of the word, and it should get the lowest number possible on our carbon chain. Everything after that then becomes a prefix and a substituent. Notice everything on here either has a prefix term that we use if it's a substituent, or a suffix if it's the root word. Organic chemistry is best seen through examples in a video format, so how about we just start this one here and watch. I have 3 functional groups on this compound here, and it's my job to name it. The first thing I'm going to do is ask, what is the priority group? Which of these functional groups has highest priority? I know this chart back here like the back of my hand, and I can see this, that aldehyde is higher priority than both ketone, right here, and an alcohol group in the middle. So aldehyde is my priority group. And because it's my priority group, it should get the root word. So the end of our name should end with al. And after I've determined that, everything else is going to be a prefix. Everything. Our priority group gets the root, and then everything else is going to become a prefix because we're going to treat it as a substituent. Meaning I have an oxo group and I have a hydroxy group. If I had a compound down here that had carboxylic acid on it, it would end with oic acid, and every other functional group would be prefixes because my priority gets the root and everything else doesn't. We also should know our priority group should prioritize carbon numbers as well. So if I'm going to number this thing, I would say this is carbon number 1 and work my way over right to left. And there we go. I have a 2 hydroxy group and a 3 oxo group on a 4 carbon chain. So this should be butane would be my root. I add the al at the end, I get butanal. And I'll also order alphabetically. So I should name this 2-hydroxy, 3-oxo, and I can just say butanal. I don't need to necessarily say 1, this is implied. Also, aldehydes are always going to be terminally located. So oxo, butanal. And there we go. I put the root at the end here with the aldehyde because it was my highest priority group. And then everything else becomes substituent prefixes. Memorize this chart and you'll be able to name almost every organic compound you see. And if you'd like more practice with it, with functional groups involving priority, aka those that are not halides, ethers, or nitro groups, everything else, I've included a few of those non-priority groups here. But get some practice with these if you'd like. Know that chart. It's really going to help you in class, really going to help you on standardized tests, and turn questions like these into 5-10 second questions. Okay, so you can spend some time on some more difficult ones. So try these on your own. I'll include the link on me solving these here. And thank you again for supporting the channel. Like the video, please subscribe, and make OChem easy. Thank you.